G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I'm going to take you through how to claim your crypto.org chain staking rewards using the crypto.com DeFi wallet. Now, in order to do this, I'm assuming you already have a wallet set up in the crypto.com DeFi wallet. If you haven't, check out the video up there on how to do that. And then once you've got rewards to claim, you can come back here and do this one. Now, before we jump into it, I just want to say this is not financial advice at all. It is purely for your entertainment. You should do all of your own research and definitely don't invest anything that you can't afford to lose. Now jump into the crypto.com DeFi wallet app on your phone and we'll run through that. You can also do this on the desktop app, but for this video, I am using the mobile app and I'm doing it on iOS, but it should be pretty much the same on Android as well. So open that up and we'll have a look at it. So we're in the mobile app now, and on the home screen, from the menu down the bottom, click on that Earn button, which is currently in the bottom right, and that will bring you to all of the earnings, and it will show you what assets you've currently got invested via the DeFi platforms that are available through the app. So right now for me, you can see I've just got a CRO listed there in my current assets and it's showing my estimated earnings. What would be if I didn't have those hidden? So you should be able to see your estimated CRO earnings there as well as anything else that you've got staked using this platform. So click on CRO to go into all of your current stakes. And so you can see there I've got my stakes split across a couple of different validators. Now, when we want to claim the rewards, all we have to do is click on that claim rewards button underneath the validator that we want to claim. So I'm going to use that first one up the top there and just click that blue claim rewards button. We then have two options. We can either claim to the wallet. Now what this does is it takes our reward and puts it straight into our DeFi wallet balance on the crypto.org chain. Alternatively, we can claim to restake, and this puts our rewards back in, so they're essentially compounding. So it puts them back in with the same validator. If you want to be compounding your rewards and putting them on the same validator, this is actually a great way to do it because the CRO transaction fee is the same either way. So if you do it this way, you only pay the fee once, whereas if you claim to your wallet and then you go ahead and restake them by manually staking them to that validator or to a different one, you're paying the fee again. So to start with, I'm going to claim to my wallet. So we'll click that and you'll see that blue proceed button has now become available. So we'll click proceed. And then from there, it'll tell us exactly what we're claiming. So in this case, I'm claiming 66 CRO. And the network fee that's estimated, so 0.0002 CRO. From here, once we click to confirm, we're going ahead and committing to paying that fee. So we'll click confirm claim. It'll want to validate, and it will also prompt you if you've got two-factor authentication set up to enter your two-factor authentication code. Put that in. And your request is now submitted and it is pending initially. So it can take anywhere from a few seconds up to a couple of minutes usually to process this. You can view the details, which is just confirming exactly what's happening. And you can also click that view status on Explorer button to pull that up. And then this will automatically go into your balance. Now, what if you want to restake? Well, the process is basically the same. I'm going to go down to my next validator that I have CRO staked with and click claim rewards. And I'm then going to click claim to restake. That blue proceed button is now active, so click that. And this is basically the same thing now. It's telling me how much CRO I have there able to be claimed to restake, as well as what the estimated network fee is. And because this is going on to the validator, it's also telling me what the validator's commission is. So for this particular one, it's currently 0%. Once we're ready to go, we'll click that blue confirm claim to restake button. Again, it'll prompt us for that two-factor authentication code if we've got that set up. And there we go. Our request has been submitted and it's gone into a pending state. We can again view details and that will give us the information of which validator it's going to, the network, so it's crypto.org, the network fee and the total amount. And of course we can view the status of that on the Explorer as well. If we jump back into our wallet, we can see here I've got two pending transactions showing up there towards the top of my DeFi wallet, both the CRO claim that I've put in to claim it from the validator and also the claim to restake. Now, within the next few minutes, they'll have finished processing and they'll have updated the respective balances both in my wallet and on the validator. So that is how you claim your rewards on the crypto.org chain, either to your wallet or restaking them with the same validator. If you want to stake them again with a different validator, you're basically going to go through the process of staking them as you would normally. So check out that video that I mentioned back at the start on how to stake CRO with the crypto.org chain validator. So hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it if you did, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me on crypto related topics. Have an awesome day, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.